Want to start making money online with Amazon affiliate marketing, but don't know where to begin? This video is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to monetize their online presence and earn passive income with Amazon's affiliate program. From setting up your account to promoting products and earning commissions, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, this video will show you how to leverage Amazon's massive customer base to earn money online. So what are you waiting for? Watch now and start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing today. Making money online has become a hot topic, and one of the most popular ways to do so is through Amazon affiliate marketing. It's a great way for beginners to earn some extra cash, and it's more accessible than you might think. With millions of products to choose from, you can promote the things you love and get paid for it. Plus, Amazon is a trusted brand, so people are more likely to make a purchase through your unique link. When it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the biggest challenges newcomers face is choosing the right products to promote. You might think that promoting the most popular products is the way to go, but it's not always the case. Sometimes, the most popular products have so much competition that it's hard to stand out. On the other hand, promoting products that are too niche might not generate enough sales. Another challenge is understanding commission structures. Amazon's commission rates vary depending on the product category, and it can be confusing to keep track of. Additionally, building a website or creating content that converts is a major hurdle for many beginners. Creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience is crucial, but it can be tough to know where to start. Many people also struggle with creating a website that is both visually appealing and functional. Lastly, driving traffic to your website is essential, but it can be difficult to know where to start, especially if you're new to online marketing. Fortunately, Amazon provides a lot of resources to help you get started, including tutorials and support groups. However, it's still important to have a solid understanding of how affiliate marketing works and how to promote products effectively. In the following sections, I'll show you how to overcome these challenges and start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing. To get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, the first step is to create an Amazon Associates account. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you're approved, you'll get access to a dashboard where you can track your earnings and find products to promote. Next, you need to choose a profitable niche. This could be anything from outdoor gear to beauty products. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a high demand. When choosing products to promote, make sure they have a high demand and low competition. You can use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to find top-selling products on Amazon. Once you've found some products, create high-quality content that showcases their benefits. This could be in the form of product reviews, tutorials, or comparisons. Finally, promote your content through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Another key aspect of promoting products is to create honest and in-depth reviews. This helps to build trust with your audience and increases the chances of them making a purchase. You should also optimize your content for SEO by using relevant keywords and meta descriptions. This will help your content rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic to your website. One strategy that can significantly increase your earnings is to create product roundups. These are lists of top products in a particular niche, and they can be incredibly effective. For example, you could create a list of the top 10 hiking backpacks on Amazon. This type of content is highly valuable to your audience and increases the chances of them making a purchase. You can also use Amazon's frequently bought together feature to find products that are often purchased together and create content around those products. By following these strategies, you can increase your earnings and build a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business. Remember, the key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and promotes products that they'll love. With a little patience and persistence, you can start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing. In this video, we've covered the basics of Amazon affiliate marketing, from getting started to creating profitable content. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you're new to affiliate marketing, I encourage you to start taking action today. Sign up for Amazon Associates, choose a profitable niche, and start creating content. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on affiliate marketing. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you may have. If you want to learn more about Amazon affiliate marketing and how to increase your earnings, be sure to watch my next video for more tips and strategies.